Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about the phonics sounds of the letters D, E, and F. D has only one phonics sound. It sounds like D, as in dog, door, drum, duck. E has two phonics sounds. Short E sounds like E, as in elephant, egg, pen, bed. Long E sounds like E, as in eagle, eat, ear, feet. F has only one phonics sound. It sounds like F, as in fish, fan, frog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.